What's up, YouTube? So this is my design, and this is what it looks like, my corner piece. So that there's gonna be doors, maybe one door here, one here. So basically that'll open that way, and I'm trying to create a sleeveless shelf. So I put some dominoes to help with the alignment here, and all the way up. So now I'm just dry fitting it in the shop before I go to the client's house. I'm gonna go ahead and prime these. I'm gonna dry fit everything, make sure everything works out, sand what I need to sand, and oh, there's a back one as well. That's gonna kind of be a standalone, and then these ones will basically come across this way and tie into that one, that end. So basically it will go like this, and then that big one will come down. So anyways, that's what I got. What do you guys think? Would you have done it this way, or is there an easier way? This is the only way my brain kind of put it together. But if you guys have a better way, let me know. I would really appreciate it. So I didn't like that cubby too much, but there's the only way to get the door to have this little thing. So anyways, let me know in the comment what you guys think. What do you have done differently, or what you would have done differently. Thanks.